Hey WordPress League, I'm going to throw the back again with another new episode, and this episode will be more interesting and crispy. Uh, Sometimes you will be needed to create uh, self in-mount website or for your company, or if you want to create, if you are hide your content that will not be exposed to uh, the other users or third-party users of your site. So what we can do, maybe I'm not clearing the situation. Something I like, if you have some confidential content that's are not suitable for the other users, if you don't want to show them to the Google Search Console. Also, if you don't want to if you want to restrict them, you want to restrict them to your internal employees. As for example, if you have a company, you are running a internal website to manage some guidelines and some service modality for your users. In that case, you have to restrict your content for the limited users. In this case, I am showing you interesting thing. So you can restrict your website content uh, only for restricted IPs, also for only for the restricted login users, and so you can manage your user roles as well. So this will be the very interesting tutorial, and I hope so. Most of us will be needed this to create this kind of specific hidden website can be managed from any location, or if you restrict by users, then it can be accessed by any location. But if you want to restrict if you have restricted the IP, then it only confidential content will be available only at your office premises. So this will be a very interesting thing. So if you any users using any VPN or any proxy network, then it cannot be easily accessed by anyone. So I will be sharing this type of highly security content, how you can create very easily within a very short period of time, and you don't have to know any coding knowledge. So let's jump on the main tutorial. This is my tutorial purpose. I have created a website, and this is my login page, and this login page is fully customized, and I made a tutorial video on it, how you can create this type of customized login login page for your website. And if you want to know that, then the video tutorial link will be available. It's already I will give the link in the description, and it's also available in the here. And let's jump on the main section. This is the login page. If any content, I have a few content on my site. I have a few content on my site. Let's check. Here is the my site, wp.github.com. In these cases, I have YouTube subscriber. This is my restricted content for this is a content. This is a blog post, and this blog post is now, as I am extremely sorry. This blog post is only available on this browser. It's my current browser. If I want to visit in incognito mode, what happened? Let's see. This is my blog URL, YouTube subscriber. See, it will redirect to your login page. Now, if you have someone interested to surf with a proxy network, then what happened to that case? Let's check. It will be redirected. It's automatically redirected to a login page. Let's see. This is the login page. This is the login page of my restricted site. So all the contents are now restricted. Let's take another content. Maybe you have a question. I have restricted only this content. No, this is see that this hello world content. It's not password protected. Come on, made mistake. Let's check it now. See, the hello world content is not also accessible. So how I made this? It's a very easy. To make this, you need this tool, restrict site access, created by Goldman and Tena. Maybe you have a question they have not tested for the 3 major release. I have tested this plugin to my latest version of this demo site. Actually, let's check what's my latest version. I'm using the WordPress 5.7.1. In this site, this plugin is working flawlessly, as you see in the demo already. So I have already contacted with them. Since they are active in support, they are not dead as well. Actually, TenUp is very popular in WordPress community. I have already made a comment, please give an update. So I hope they will find it useful. And 1 month ago, they have someone request, and they already give a support to the WordPress workshop forum. So it's positive. So this plugin is not harmful, I think so, but I have sent request to them to give an update for the latest version of the WordPress. So I hope this concern will be solved very easily. Okay, let's moving on to this plugin. I will give the link of this plugin in my description, so you can easily get the plugin from by visiting this link. Now I have already activated this plugin as I have shown here. So you know what you have to do. Just checking purpose, I am just collect the name. Oh my gosh, what I am doing now. I'm really sorry. Oh. This is the plugin. So I have already activated this plugin. So where you will get the settings page. You will get the setting page from here. Restrict the site access. By clicking here, you will redirect to your settings page, or in the setting page, in the rating section, you will get the settings. It's a very simple settings is here. If you activate this plugin, it automatically activate this button. And this checkbox means restrict the site access to visitor who are logged in or allowed by IP address. That means if I have already logged into my site, so I have the access to in this browser, I have already logged into to this site. So I am admin, so I have already access to this site. So in this browser, I have no option, no issue. I have already shown you what happened in the incognito mode and also in the proxy servers. And this is the very easy way. Just it all automatically click here. Just check box it is available here. Just check it box. Now the interesting part comes here. What happened to the content if someone get the link and try to access? You already see I have set the thing. It will be redirected to the same, send them to the WordPress login screen, which I have already shown you. If anyone interested to, if I have click any link through my incognito mode, it already redirected to my login screen. There are 3 more extra settings here. Restrict them to a specific web address. If you want to do that, as I have my main domain, if I want to restrict it to my main domain, let's check restricted.com. See, I have restricted. Let's check what happened now. Say it redirects to my main website, gtropder.com. So how easily you can manage these things? Suppose someone get your personal private link, so you can redirect to them to your main website domain or pricing page, or anywhere you want to do, or contact page. It's up to you. So let's check the next. You can show them a simple message: access to this site is restricted. I am just not changing this, it's already using the default. Okay, let's check what happened now. I'm sorry. Access to this site is restricted. See? Message already given. Okay. Now check the another option. Show them in a page. Suppose you have a contact page. If you want to show them in a contact, so I don't have any contact page right now. I have another page. This is SVG images I have created for another tutorial purpose. So let's check what happened now. Already link is here. I'm just clicking the link again. So it redirect to my another page. So you see how easy it is. Now more interesting thing is, I just want to set them to my login screen. I don't want to show my another page or anything. So this is fine for me. The more interesting thing part is coming here. So you can restrict your site, which I have shared through a specific ID or ID range. ID range is only a subnet prefix. It can be you can collect the subnet prefix from your IP provider. So you can collect them from them. ISP provider from, you can contact with them and get the details from them. Or if you don't know your current IP address, so there is a very interesting button here. Just click here. This is my current IP address. Just hit the save changes button. Now you'll see the most interesting thing. My all site access is now available on any browser, because I'm sorry, why is this happening now? According to that, oh sorry, I missed a thing. By clicking this link, this button, you will get the IP address, and you have to click add button. Don't forget that. I missed that. This is very important. Then save changes. Don't forget that. Okay. Otherwise, you will see the problem. You have already seen the problem. Now check what happened. See, you can easily visit from it. This is my incognito mode. So previously it's restricted by the users, only for users. So now I have restricted only for IP address. Okay, let's check from a proxy server. This is a key proxy. I am using it to check my content. There's a security reasons which I want to check. Server will load it. Let's check, try another server. The server is overloaded. Let's wait. Okay. So this will be the error. You cannot access through only any server, because I have already limited options only for IP addresses. So you can add the IP address from here, and the website can be accessed from any browser right now, as I have no issue with this IP. So I can use I can visit any pages right now. So this is the hello world content, which also be locked, so I can see now. So this is all about for this interesting tool. And let's and if you want to remove that IP, just remove the IP and save changes, and you will see the content will not be available right now. See, the content is now locked. Only for logged in users can have the access. So my dear friend, this is how it's interesting to you. So I want to create these type of things for my my pages and my sites, and I made it. I found this tool helpful, and if you found this tutorial helpful, then give me a thumbs up, and if you like this video, then definitely share with your friends, and keep it as a bookmark. It will be, I hope it will help you next time. And because this is a very rare use case, but I found I need this, because that's why I created a tutorial for yourself as well. And thank you, my dear friends, for watching this video. If you found and if you don't like this video, then definitely share your comments on the description. And if you want to join an awesome community, WordPress League, I will share you the link in my description, so you can join the WordPress community, WordPress the new kind of WordPress communities, WordPress League, and people you can contact with anyone and interact with them. This is a Facebook group. There is also I have created a Twitter handle, so if you don't have any Facebook account, you are active on Twitter, then you can follow the Twitter page. I will share the WordPress related content, news and updates, and also jobs and other opportunities, and also WordPress vulnerabilities news and very interesting facts also. This is all about for today, my dear friend. If you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and stay connected, and see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.